Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, how are you all? We are fine, ma'am. All right. Today we will discuss about continent. Anyone can tell me what is continent? Yes, ma'am. Our Earth consists of two parts in which 29% is covered by land masses, that is called continent. Very good. Tell me how many continents in the world? Mom, in the world there is 7 continents. Yes, there is 7 continents in the world. Now I tell you the names of continent. Yes, ma'am. The first one is Asia. It is the largest continent. Tell me how many countries in Asia? There is 48 countries in Asia. Yes. The second continent is Africa. It is the second largest continent. Tell me how many countries in Africa? Mom, there is 54 countries in Africa. Very good. The third continent is North America. It is the third largest continent. Tell me why this continent is famous? Mom, there is presence of largest island, namely Greenland. Excellent. The fourth largest continent is South Africa. The longest mountain range is present in this continent. The fifth continent is Antarctica. It covers with ice sheet. Tell me in which continent there is no settlement? In Antarctica, there is no human settlements. Yes, good. Europe comes at the 6th number on term of size. The smallest country of the world is also present here. Tell me the name? The smallest country name is Vatican City. Excellent. The last continent is Australia. It is the smallest continent. Actually, it is an island county. I think you all must get the point. Yes, ma'am, we got it. Very good. Okay, that is all for today. Goodbye. Goodbye, ma'am. Thanks for watching my video.